everybody. Welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen. So I'm going to continue the hacks for ChatGPT 4. Today, what we're going to do is I'm going to jump out of here really quick, and I'm going to go into here. So what we need to do is go back to the Chrome extensions really quick. So let's go ahead and jump in there. The Chrome Web Store. Go back in here, and then we're going to click in here to the Chrome Web Store. And up here, we're going to type in chat. So we're going to click up here and click on Chat Sonic, right? And this is the one you want to get for the extension right here. So you want to click on that there. Then it's going to, I already have it in there, but right here it's going to say not remove. It's going to say to add. You're going to click on add, and then it's going to come up here. What you're going to do is up here, you're going to click this little puzzle piece. You're going to search in here for Chat Sonic, and see how it's going to be on here right here. Usually it's off. So then in here, what you're going to do is you're going to keep boom, boom there, and then you're good to go, okay? So it's already in now. So what you're going to do now is you can go to and have fun, go on like emails, and I'm not going to pull up an email to show you guys because that's a little private, but what you can do is you can respond on emails. What I'm going to do is let me log into my Twitter really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, and we're back in. So check this out. So then you go into Twitter, correct? And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit post because you're going to post. Now you're going to see it down here now. See where it's down here? So you're going to click on it, and it's going to say write a tweet about what? So you could either be empathetic, thankful, assertive, confident, appreciative, encouraging, okay, apologetic, casual. So we could do a casual one really quick. And in here, you're going to type in, it's funny to think that my co-worker eats tuna, fish, sandwiches before a meeting. Okay, click this, sandwiches, tuna fish, oops, I'm happy there, meetings. Now you're going to click write, and it's going to write for you. So check this out. Who needs coffee to wake up when you can have a tuna fish sandwich? Laugh. My coworker's pre-meeting snack is definitely an interesting choice. Work fuel, tuna lover. Boom. So kind of funny. Then you go ahead and hit post, and there you go. It just posted now for you. So, you know, it's just pretty cool. There's so many things you could do with this Chat Sonic, which is pretty tight. So, like it says here, you can mess with it. Simplify email workflow, high generate quality emails, top level your Twitter game, boost your linking presence. So anytime you need to do a email to like a customer support and that kind of stuff, it does all that for you. So it's pretty cool, man. It's a pretty cool little feature. So it's fun. It's fun to mess around with. The email function is pretty cool. Just be really careful when you're using it. You don't want to send the wrong email to your boss. Yeah, so that's one of the hacks that I was playing with tonight. I thought it was pretty cool. Mess around on Twitter, and be able to send stuff out. So you can do it on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Like I said, it's just an extension. It's a Chrome extension. So you're going to go up here, and you're going to look for this right here. So where it says Chat Sonic, you're going to make sure that it is plugged in. Boom, plugged in. So I just kind of wanted to go over that with you guys. I thought it was a pretty fun little tool to play with. I'm telling you guys, ChatGPT, AI, it's the wave of the future. It's making things a lot easier. It's making things a lot more less complicated for us to work and get stuff done. So again, I want you guys to join our free group. It's called School. The link is down below. We go over all this stuff. It's where a bunch of like-minded people come together. We talk about ChatGPT. We talk about AI within the workspace and how it affects you in your workspace and in personal life as well. How we boost revenue for your company, how to make your life a lot easier. I mean, if we can give you back time, if you can get time back, wouldn't that be the best thing you could ask for? So come join us in our school. Hit the link down below. Smash that like button. And again, cheers to you guys. Little coffee. Have a great night. Thanks again.